You have a really great do-it-yourself homeowners YouTube, and I'd like you to talk about it because you're new, but you're making progress and growing.
Definitely am. It's been a work in progress. Started a year ago, September 8th to be exact, and I actually started filming during COVID, believe it or not. We were sitting around the house, had nothing to do, so I thought, hey, might as well start videoing some of the projects I was doing. But every week, every Thursday morning, put out a different DIY type project. This is something for the average homeowner that does, whether you do it yourself and it's something you don't want to pay somebody to do, or whether you're doing something for the first time. And what do you do if you're trying to do something you're not familiar with? Just like you, I get on YouTube, and if I don't know how to do it, there's something out there that's going to teach you how to do that. So whether it's maintenance on your house, yard, cars, trucks, you name it, that's basically every Thursday what you're going to get.
Outstanding. How many people so far do you have?
So far, have 318 subscribers. That slowly grows week by week, and have just under 2,000 hours of viewed content so far. But like I said, that's growing every single day, and as long as we are consistent, currently have videos scheduled throughout the end of the year, actually. So we monitor that on a daily, if not weekly basis, and it's growing, and we're just continue to hopefully be successful one day.
And monetized. So what's your advice from what you've learned so far for someone starting out?
I would say I don't think there's necessarily any bad content out there. There's just not enough of it, and to be consistent. So no matter what it is or you're going to learn as you go, but you just definitely need to be consistent about it. So, for example, every Thursday is when I put out a video. As long as you stay consistently on that schedule, you're putting the right mentions, hashtags, whatnot, eventually at some point it's going to catch on, it's going to grow, and a little bit of patience and consistency, I think you'll definitely have success one day.
Excellent. We'll put links below so they can follow you.
Thank you very much.